If you feel that the size of the pointer that appears on the screen of your computer or laptop is too small, this video walks you through on how to increase that in few clicks. First is to click on the Start button, which you can call the window logo key. Once this opens, click here and type settings. Okay, settings. It will show the best match. Click on it. The settings page will open just as you can see right now. Click on accessibility. Once you click on accessibility, you see some options. Look at this one. It says mouse pointer and touch. Click on that. When you click on that, you see the section named size. If you drag this way, you will see the size will be increasing. When you drag forward, when you drag backward, you see the size of the cursor is getting smaller, which you can call pointer. All right, so let's leave it at 9 in this case so that it will be bold enough for you to illustrate what you want to illustrate. And with this, you can close this page and you are good.